So when you get to the end, you sew it about 2 times to form a knot. Then you pass through 1 or 2 beads and cut the excess fishing line. We are repeating at the other end, leaving the middle space. So just as we did for the other side, we are doing the same thing. You pick the cloth, you make a knot, and we sew it all round. So this time around, we are cutting our rhinestone fabric. We are applying it in the middle parts. So you count 8 by 2, then we apply our glue to the middle parts. Then we fix the rhinestone on it. So when you fix and there's excess, then you cut it. So this is what we have. We are applying our third handle. So when you are applying the third handle, you need to make sure that there is no space between the fabric and the weaving bead. So when you are sewing, you need to be careful so that there will not be any space in between the two. You are sewing it all round. So this is it. We are now coming to apply our bow tie. We are applying it at the space there. So this is where you put it. First of all, you pick the cloth. Then you pass it through the rhinestone fabric, the middle portion. So you pass it in between the fabric. So you just repeat. You pick the cloth, then you pass it through the fabric. We are repeating till the bow tie becomes more firmer on the slippers. So as you are weaving, then you'll be checking to see if it has really become firm. So when you think it's firmer, then you sew the outer about 2 or 3 times. Then you cut your excess fishing line. And our slippers is ready. This is our final work. Very beautiful slippers, fit for all occasions. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you.